Alright guys, I got an issue that I've been dealing with. It's a loud buzzing noise whenever I turn on my car, even to like halfway, like to accessory, put it in ignition. It's like a loud, constant buzzing noise. It doesn't change as I change speeds or anything. It's a constant buzzing noise. I'll show you. It's just that loud, that constant buzzing noise, if you can hear it. And it cuts off, but when I turn the radio on, it'll stay on. Like, and the volume on the radio is very low. It's not as loud as it should be. I'll show you. Like, that's the volume, that's the loudest it gets. And the car should be a lot louder than that. And it seems like it's only the back speakers that are working. Maybe that's why. But I use this cord. I bought this cord off Amazon. It's like a lightning cable auxiliary cord. It plugs straight into your phone like a lightning cable, so you don't need an adapter. I don't know if that's the issue, because the cord seems kind of flimsy, but I mean, it's highly recommended, good reviews, but I don't know. That could be it, because I've been using this for the last few days. I've seen some reviews about the ground power not being stable. I'm not sure. This is a 07 Impala, so I'm not sure if it has an amp or not, and if it is an amp, I don't know where it's located. I know the ground power here and the radio. I'll turn the radio back off. Because it makes noise anytime I do anything. Like, I can put on the hazard, the buzzing will come back. I can take it off. I can put on the turn signal. The buzzing will coming back. I can turn it off. It'll turn off after I turn off whatever sound I'm using. But I know this black and white cord is the ground power for the radio. So I'm figuring that's where the issue is coming from. But I'm not positive. This red and white, I'm not sure what it is. But I think this pink is the amp, and for the speakers, I think maybe the front speakers. I'm not sure. I think this pink is the amp, if there is an amp. So from what I've been looking up online, see, when I take it out, the noise stops. I can hit this. The noise stopped. That's only because it's completely unplugged. But I'm guessing because that's the ground power, that's the issue. But I'm not sure. If anybody has any suggestions on where the amp is located or where the ground power is located, I'm guessing it's somewhere up here, like this wire leads somewhere up here where it's grounded. I'm not sure, or I wouldn't even know what to do even if I found the ground power. Should I unplug it? I'm pretty lost with this issue, so if anybody got any suggestions, just let me know. I'd appreciate it.